Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So Wi-Fi icon it's not showing here and internet also not working. So how to fix this issue? So first method, click to start, type device manager and extract audio, network, and this is wireless VLAN Wi-Fi 6E. Okay, so all. So if you getting here yellow signs, okay, so just right click to click to uninstall, okay, and then click to uninstall it and then close it. Then suppose you are using HP laptop, so click to start Chrome browser, okay, and then type HP ZenBook Wi-Fi driver download. Okay, so this is the official website of HP. Click on it, scroll down. Otherwise you can type the manually model number. Okay, so which is you using, select this one which is you using. Okay, scroll down, select the operating system Windows 10 11. If you are using Windows 10 11, so you can download because of both run the same system in this. Scroll down and then find out network drive. So you can see VLAN driver, Intel VLAN driver means Wi-Fi driver, and click to download. After that it will start in download box and then single click to open it. After that it will run. Then you can see this is the wireless model number also there. Then next, click I accept and then next. Now this is installing. This is installed in the background. Okay, so if you don't know, this is your model number, and go to back, identify. You can click, come to laptop, and let's detect your product when you click here. Otherwise you can enter the manually of your system, of your model number, of your service tag. If you don't know to, you can click to detect your product, and it will show here, and then you can download. So it is mandatory to download VLAN Wi-Fi driver. Okay, and then install, then restart your system, and then please check it. Thank you.